Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2019 Vauxhall Astra. Any screen, over to the home button, click home. Then we want navigation, it's a touch screen. That's just showing you where we are at the moment in the map. What we need, right, the two lines down here, if we click that, you can either go, if you've set home or work, you can go there quickly. So if you're miles away, you don't have to put your postcode in. If you've already set it, you can just click home or, as I say, work, and you will go straight there. The settings button there, head up, traffic on map, voice guidance. You'll see there's a red line under voice guidance, so voice guidance is on. That's quite important as well. We'll go back, we go to the search, the magnifying glass, recent favourites and address, click address, city, country or street. We're on city and country, so we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P, R. Now we want numbers. Numbers, you change to numbers in the bottom left hand corner here, the question mark and 1, 2, 3, so we click that. PR5, 4, back to the alphabet, E, A, PR5, 4EA, search, that's it found, Higher Walton, Preston, Lancashire, United Kingdom. We click go.
In 300 yards, turn right to Shop Lane and then turn left.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.